Hello and welcome everybody. Spy stock on 27 November. Let's start with easy steps for this price. So let's start with price prediction here. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's start for this spy stock. As we can see here, this is going to be for 1 day update explanation. And if we wanted to go for the price that could happen on 1 week, okay, we see that the limit that it has reached here for the interaction of this wave with the slope line, and that's going to be referring for us that the SPY stock is still now running on high values, okay, right now on 400 USD, and this is going to be also giving such a great extension. This will give a result for the decrease until it reaches about 5 1 2 3 4 5 trend lines, maybe sixth one here and the sixth one, seventh one here. So I think the rebounding part would be here and make us a new wave to make an increase. That what is going to be as a journey for SPY stock to be explained for its technical analysis and the price prediction news today.